Morning traders, it's the 22nd of January 2014 times 8:57 GMT. We're looking at the foreign exchange index analyzer, and we can see here we've got an alert that's been created telling us to sell Euro Aussie dollar. Reason being that we're seeing weakness across all time frames on the euro, shown in red here. Every single time frame is negative, and conversely, the Aussie dollar, every time frame has got a positive index gain. So the best trade currently in the market is Euro Aussie dollar. That seems to be where the flow is. We can look at the chart to see where our ideal entry points would be. So I'm just loading MT4 right now, and I'm just going to load a Euro Aussie dollar chart for us. And as we'd expect, I'm just going to move the analyzer up out of the way. It sits on top of any application you wish, so you can use it in conjunction with any Windows-based app. It doesn't have to be a trading platform specifically, which means obviously you can keep an eye on the market all the time while you're doing other stuff. So yeah, we can see here that this is the hourly Euro Aussie dollar chart, and we can see we've had a pretty aggressive sell-off, and we need to start looking at a way to find a decent entry point here. So you can use any method you like, but I like to use pivots. So I'm just going to overlay the FX Algo Trader Daily Pivots version 3 system, which gives us our yesterday's highs and lows, and also the main pivot levels. We can obviously add in M levels, intermediate M levels if we wish to, like so. And we can also look back over previous price action to look at a suitable area of support and resistance where we may want to place our trade. I mean, clearly the obvious entry point is to go short if price retraces and retests yesterday's low, which coincides with the swing low point back here, and also the previous levels of resistance which were experienced back in on the 9th of January this year. Alternatively, you could place your short entries at any of these pivot levels, possibly around the S2 level. Bear in mind we are quite oversold on the day. So far we've already breached S3, which is quite unusual. So anyway, that gives you a flavour for how you can use the FX Algo Trader Index Analyzer for immediately identifying the optimum pair to trade. We're also seeing an alert here for Euro Kiwi dollar. Again, we're seeing broad Kiwi strength across the board in conjunction with Euro weakness across the board. So there you go, a quick example of how to use the FX Index Analyzer to optimize your pair selection and reduce the amount of pre-trade analysis that you have to do. You can check this out on the FX Algo Trader website. It's under Products on the Platform Independent Tools tab, and it's called FX Index Analyzer. Thanks for watching.